Welcome to Question and Answer on Birds EVS for Class 3. Let's learn with MG, stories, poems, and learning magic. Enjoy the journey as we explore questions and answers about birds. Soft background music will play as we begin. Question 1. Which of the following birds can fly? A. Penguin. B. Ostrich. C. Cockatoo. D. Kiwis. Take a moment to consider your answer. The correct answer is C. Cockatoo. Question 2. Which of the following describes a vulture's nest? A. Built on the ground with pebbles and stones. B. Built by using sticks and looks like a shallow cup. C. Hangs from a tree and looks like a bottle hanging upside down. D. Built by using thread, wool, and vegetable fiber to sew the leaves together. Pause and think about your choice. The correct answer is B. Built by using sticks and looks like a shallow cup. Question 3. Most grain-eating birds have short and hard beaks. Identify the pair of grain-eating birds. A. Sparrow and finch. B. Peacock and parrot. C. Eagle and kite. D. Sunbird and hummingbird. Reflect on your answer. The correct answer is A. Sparrow and finch. Question 4. Which of the following has a cracker beak? A. Pigeon. Pause for a moment. The correct answer is A. Pigeon. Fill in the blanks. 1. Arboreal birds have legs and feet adapted for cormorants. Answer is perching. 2. Grain eaters are called underscore birds. Answer is scratching. 3. S. The place where birds live and grow naturally. Answer is habitat. 4. Birds have a core-shaped body. Answer is boat. 5. Have webbed feet. Answer is ducks. Let's continue to the next set of blanks. Fill in the blanks. 1. I. Eating birds have hooked beak. Answer is flesh. 2. Where to find quiet birds like cranes and herons walk in shallow water. Answer is wading. 3. The beaks of birds have eyes that help them to breathe in air. Answer is nostrils. 4. Birds fly with the help of their girstin. Answer is wings. True or false? 1. A pigeon is called a bird of prey. Answer is false. 2. Some birds make their nests on the ground. Answer is true. 3. Hummingbirds feed on nectar with the help of their long beak. Answer is true. 4. Water birds have webbed feet. Answer is true. Match the columns. Column A, a curved beak. B, chisel-shaped beaks. C, long, slender, and pointed beak. D, broad, flat beak. Column B. 1. To make holes in the tree trunk. 2. To crack seeds and nuts, bite on hard fruits. 3. To filter out the muddy water leaving behind insects inside the beak. 4. To suck the nectar from flowers. The correct matches are A. Curved beak. 2. To crack seeds and nuts, bite on hard fruits. B. Chisel-shaped beaks. 1. To make holes in the tree trunk. C. Long, slender, and pointed beak. 4. To suck the nectar from flowers. D. Broad, flat beak. 3. To filter out the muddy water leaving behind insects inside the beak. Name the following. 1. Birds that hold branches of trees firmly even while sleeping. Perching birds. 2. Birds whose wings are not strong enough to allow them to fly. Flightless birds. 3. Type of claws seen in birds of prey. Talons. 4. What is the home of a bird called? A nest. 5. The types of beaks seen in the woodpecker. Strong, hard, and chisel-shaped beak. Short answers. 1. State the importance of talons to the birds of prey. Answer. Birds of prey, such as eagles, have strong, sharp claws called talons. The talons help them to grasp and tear the flesh of their prey. 2. How do birds breathe? Answer. The beaks of birds have nostrils that help them to breathe in air. 3. What are climbing birds? Answer. Climbing birds are the birds which climb up and down a tree or surface in search of insects and bugs. 4. How does the long, thin, pointed beak of sunbird help the bird? Answer. This kind of beak helps the bird to suck the nectar of the sunflower. Short answers. 1. What features make up a flying bird's body? Answer. A boat-shaped body. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The body is covered with feathers. A strong framework of bones which are hollow and light in weight. 2. How do birds pick up their food? Answer. Birds use their beaks to pick up and eat their food. They either swallow it whole or use their beaks to break or tear off pieces small enough to swallow before they swallow. 3. State 2 reasons why birds build nests. Answer. To lay and hatch their eggs. To protect their eggs and the babies from enemies. To protect themselves from harsh weather and enemies. Short answers. 1. Describe the shredder beak. Why is it called so? Answer. A shredder beak is a strong, sharp, and hooked beak. These beaks are called shredder beaks because they tear the flesh of the prey. 2. What are flightless birds? Name 2 flightless birds. Answer. Birds that cannot fly and live on the ground are called flightless birds. 2 flightless birds are penguin and kiwi. 3. What are wading birds? Answer. Wading birds are birds which have long, thin legs with toes spread wide. The long legs help them to keep their feathers away from water and dry while wading through it. 4. How are wings useful to birds? Answer. Wings help them fly and keep them warm. Study the situation below and provide your answer. While watching a program on TV, Ravi saw a duck swimming in water. He was curious to know how birds could swim. He told his older brother Ajit that they should drop their pet macaw in the bathtub and watch him swim. Ajit explained to him about the feet and claws of birds and that not all birds can swim. Ajit told Ravi, "Not all birds can swim. Do you agree? Give reason for your answer." Answer. Yes, because the feet and claws are not the same for all the birds. What enables a duck to swim in water? Answer. Ducks have webbed feet that help them paddle and push water while swimming. What qualities did Ravi exhibit? Answer. Curious and smart. Give reasons. 1. A bird tail is important. Answer. A bird tail helps birds to change direction and control speed while flying. The bird tail has a bunch of long feathers controlled by muscles. 2. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. Answer. The size and shape of the beak depend on the type of food it eats. Hence, different birds have different kinds of beaks. Let's look at the difference. Flightless birds. Flightless birds cannot fly and usually have strong legs for walking or running. For example, ostriches and emus. Arboreal birds. Arboreal birds live in trees and have adaptations like strong claws for perching. For example, parrots or woodpeckers. Picture study. To which type of birds do the foot and claws given in Picture A and Picture B belong to? Answer. Picture A belongs to perching birds and Picture B belongs to wading birds. State the importance of long legs to the birds having the claws seen in Picture B. Answer. The long legs help them to keep their feathers away from water and dry while wading through it. How do the toes in Picture A help the birds? Answer. The toes help the bird to hold the branch of a tree firmly. Give one example of each of birds to which the claws seen in Picture A and B belong to. Answer. Picture A, crow. Picture B, heron. Picture study. Identify the type of feathers labeled as A and B. Answer. A, down feather. B, body feather. How are feathers A and B useful to birds? Answer. Down feathers keep the body warm. Body feathers cover the body of the bird, giving it a shape. Apart from the two feathers mentioned, name the third type of feather and state its use. Answer: flight feather. It helps the birds to fly. Refer to the hints provided in the table and answer the questions. Identify the bird A. Answer: woodpecker. Describe B type of beak. Answer: B type of beak is strong and chisel-like, used for pecking wood to find insects. What is the use of toes of bird A? Answer: the toes of the woodpecker help it to grip the bark of trees while pecking. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Remember to review the material again for better understanding. Keep learning and stay curious.